Okay, in the issue of you want to have the first name and last name, as you can see, let's say you want to extract this first name. What could you possibly do? If you want to extract this first name as you see it now, these are ways you can do it. If you want to extract the first name, so what you can do is, since this is written on this line, you can now do by writing this one the way you have it here. Press enter, go to the next one. You see, this is what happened. You can press enter, and this is going to extract the first name for you automatically. And then if it is the last name, do the same thing and write the first name Adebayo correctly the way it is. Press enter, go to the next one, write it correctly. By doing that, it's going to do this, and this is how it's going to give you this. Or another way you can get the first name is by, the best way you can do it is going down to this. Simply you can go down to this particular name you want to work on. As you can see here, let me say you want to select here and want to make the changes on this and want to put the first name here. So you can simply go to this, select all the places you want to make the first name like this, and then press Ctrl H. Now when you press Ctrl H, it is going to come in here. So I want you to do is to put space, and you put asterisk like this, and then in replace leave it with 0, and then you can say replace all, and that is going to make this replacement for you. You see now automatically this comes in. I'm going to press Ctrl Z, repeat the same thing I do again, right click, and if you want to make the replacement only the first name, press Ctrl G, press Ctrl F, which is going to bring you here. Then do replace. First thing you need to do, you go to the first line, press space and press Shift 8, and then click on replace all, and that is how it's going to extract the rest of these things for you. So with that is automatically going to take out the first name and for you, and then split it and take it off from the other one. So this is exactly what you can do when it comes to the aspect of extracting the first name or the last name. The first method is like I explained. The second method is this way. By putting up this, is going to repeat the whole thing. Or you select the places you want to work on, and then press Ctrl F, then make sure you go to replace here, and then press space and asterisk on your keyboard, and then replace all, and that's going to extract the rest for you. So this is exactly how you are going to do it. So if you have any question, you can ask me now, or else I think I can end it here. Not just surname, other things you want to split in between them, not even first name only, other things you want to split and have the same say, so you can actually get it done that same way. So you can ask your question, or we can switch over to another thing. Yeah.